whenever that went in, it actually pulled this gap way wider. I have a Honda Pilot here. Has some quarter panel damage right there in the middle of the panel, and you could see whenever that went in, it actually pulled this gap way wider right in here. However, as I work all of this out, that should shift back and close that gap back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this quarter panel, get this metal back into shape. So I'm gonna do a couple glue pulls on this. I have these tabs here. I'm gonna start by putting one right about there, and then I'll put another one down here, and I'll use these to pull this out. But first I gotta get it all nice and clean. So I'm getting this one close, but the edge right here, this 90-degree angle, was still pushed in and I can't get it to move, so I welded a tab right on the edge, and I'm gonna use that to bring out that bottom edge just a little more.